it's Becky here, and I'm in the night sky. Wait, what? Oh, you can't see me. Hi, does this help? Well, it's kind of weird. Wait, just a minute. Let me go get the lights. Okay, we've got some light now. Once again, I'm Becky, and I'm here with a STEM Club Science video. And I checked out the telescope from my library because there are so many cool things happening in the night sky that I wanted to look at it. But, you know, really, ideally, right now I'm on my back porch, and it's not the best place to check out the night sky. If you want to get a really good look, you want to get out away from town, out away from the town lights, and be in an open field where it's really dark. But I can still see some pretty cool things through my telescope tonight, or actually it's not my telescope, the library's telescope. I was able to check out the North Star and see the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, and I've been able to go on the website and learn how to use this telescope, and I learned how to use a star chart, which I've never done before, to find things in the night sky. And I was talking about some of those cool things that are happening right now through July 23rd about. You can see the Neowise comet. And in fact, you don't even need the telescope to see the comet. You can see it with binoculars, or you could just see it with what they say, the naked eye. You can see it without any sort of magnification. And that'll happen through July 23rd. But after that, you won't be able to see it again for over 6,000 years. In August 11th and 12th, the Perseid meteor shower is going to be coming, and so that would be a great time to get this telescope and to check it out. And it's always very cool to check out the stars and the planets. Right now you can see Jupiter, it's very bright. You can also see Saturn, and if you have the telescope, you can even see Saturn's rings. Also, the different phases of the moon are really cool to look at through the telescope. When I checked this out last summer, we were able to get a picture of the full moon. And here, let me show you that picture. Now, some nights when you check out the telescope, it might be too cloudy to see the night sky and to see the stars, so there are some cool activities that you might want to try. And I've made up a packet of activities that you can do, and you'll find that on our website at ofpl.info. And one of those activities that I provide a link to is making a constellation projector, and it's simply a cardboard tube, some tape, and I poked out the constellation with my toothpick. And then all you need to do is go into a dark room, have a flashlight, and put that flashlight through here, and it will project the stars on the ceiling. This one might not be able to see it very well, but it happens to be the Little Dipper. So I'll put that on the ceiling and make it look really cool. Or if you don't have a flashlight, you can always use a light on a phone. Speaking of phones, you can also get an app on your phone that when you point it at the night sky, it'll tell you what you're looking at. On my phone right now, I've got Star Walk, I've got Star Tracker, and I've got Skyview. And that one is my favorite. And they all kind of tend to play some cool music. Oh, there it is. And when you point it at the sky, you can identify the different stars. It'll tell you what you're looking at. It'll tell you about the constellations. It'll give you pictures. It'll tell you about the planets. Ooh, this one even has shown me a satellite is in the sky this direction. Oh, there I'm looking at Ursa Minor. Cool. And finally, what would looking at the night sky be without some books to help you along the way? We have a pamphlet about the night sky, all kinds of pamphlets at the library. This one's really cool because you can set it under some lights and then take it outside and it'll glow in the dark, and it's got a star chart on it to help you find the different stars and constellations in the sky. This book here, Cycles of the Night Sky, talks about how you'll see different things because as the Earth moves and things move, you'll see different stars, different constellations, different phases of the moon. So that's all about the different cycles. We've got great books, all kinds of great books with illustrations and explanations that'll tell you. This one's the Osborne Complete Book of Astronomy and Space. And we've also got this one, the Smithsonian Super Space Encyclopedia, and it's got some great pictures that have been taken and illustrations and explanations and just all kinds of fantastic things. So you might want to check out this book. And finally, we've got this that gives you some great information about space, but also gives you some more arts and activities, artifacts, space and art activities. So you might want to check this out from the library. We've got all of these resources and more to help you learn about the night sky. And what a great thing to do when the days are hot. You can cool off at night and do some excellent and fun things. So if you need any help, just come see me or any of the staff at the library and they'll get you set up with some great resources. So I hope you'd have a chance to do some of these activities. Maybe check out a telescope, maybe make something, maybe check out some books. And I hope you spend some time looking at the stars and learning and dreaming. So I hope you all have a great night and happy reading.